Almost missed it. There it is. Waiting for it on the TV.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This task is now concluded.
And back to Taylor Swift. Would you look at that? For what? What could this possibly be?
9:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hillsborough and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail.
Well, I guess this exists now.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
I didn't even know these were happening.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Hillsborough around 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Osceola, Mayfield, Lovelace, Woodbury, Peoria, and Abbott. This includes the following highways.
What's that thing?
Interstate 35 between mile markers 359 and 369. Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 35E between mile markers 371 and 375. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The current time
Now
is
that is the scare of a
5:44.
lifetime. No way he was right.
Weather Service Office in Fort Worth. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system for weather radio station West XK35. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal in receivers' performance are conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variation will be more noticeable at greater distances.
Here we go. Let me get the Quan chain.
Using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Val, Bosque, Oriel, Falls, Hill, Limestone, McLennan, Milam, and Robertson. This concludes the test of weather radio station West XK35. The current time
Well, there we
is
go.
10:20 a.m. Central
My
Daylight
first
Time.
FWD.
You're listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather
Here's
Service,
channel ID.
station WXK35, serving the Waco listening area.
Well, there we go. That is my first required weekly test from Fort Worth's office. Nothing much more to say. Got these two with me. I'm in vacation on Belton Lake right now. Yeah.